Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to convert a Google document into PDFs in just a few seconds. So this is very easy and helpful, and it won't take more than 10 seconds in doing this, since Google Documents already has the option to export documents into PDF. So the first thing we're gonna do is going into our Google document. In my case, I'm going to create a new one. Now I'm going to type something. This is my document. Well, make sure you have all your document ready, because after you convert it to PDF, you won't be able to edit the PDF directly. So you will have to go to your Google document again, then edit it and convert it to PDF again. So once you have everything ready, you need to go to the top left, go to File, then Download, and here you can convert it to a PDF document. I'm gonna click it and set the name you want, then click Save, and now your PDF document is downloaded and you can share it with anyone. It's important to note that PDF files can't be modified, so as I told you, you will need to go to your Google document again and do any edit you want and download it again. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.